the stand, some repulsor blasts, extra set of hands, the spring-loaded arm, and a big ass shield. And at the bottom part we got some sort of instruction manual. Alright, let's take a closer look at each of the items. Like, we're gonna go with the accessories first, and then we're gonna leave the actual action figure last. Alright, so we got the bottom layer of the accessories here. So we have 4 repulsor blasts, and if you take a look at it, I like how intricate coloring is, the detail of it, like how it darkens from bright yellow to like almost orange there. So we got 4 of them, so assuming it's like 2 for the feet and 2 for the hands. We got this, I think it's called lightning, what do you call this, lightning something, I just forgot. He uses this to channel Thor's lightning and then use it as if and yep, there we go. The Iron Man Mark 50 Infinity War. Wow, look at that bad boy. It's just so awesome. Let's see here. Let's start with the accessories. Alright, so let's put this bad boy aside for now. Put him here. Now let's see what we have here. Got this sword hand. I think this is the one that he used to stab, or at least he tried to stab Thanos, and then he got stabbed by it. We got a couple of like laser swords. I mean, look at the details on this. I really like the way they had Iron Man painted in that color combination, like lots of red and then touches of gold and metal, gunmetal. So this is like his blade hand. Wow, awesome. We got this wow, blaster hands. They kind of look like lobster to me, but yeah, like the tech details on this, like the way it was painted is just awesome. It's intricate, and you see it, the white paint in there, it looks like it's lit up, but it's actually not. It's just the way it's painted. It looks cool. Of course, we got this one goes, I think it goes to the back of the figure there to cover it up if you're not going to use the other accessories. We got a shield. Let's see if I can take it out. There you go. Look at the material. It's like, it's awesome. Like the paint, the way the red complements the gold and the silver there. It's just fantastic. Another amazing product made by ZD Toys. And alright, let's take a look at Iron Man himself. Alright, so there he is, Iron Man Mark 50 under the light. Another quality product made by ZD Toys. Look at that figure, so freaking awesome. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this bad boy. Iron Man Mark 50 Infinity War version. Wow, I mean, looking at the color scheme of this guy, like, he has lots of like hot rod cherry metallic red on him, and like touches of gold and metal. I mean, wow, look at him. And the way this was painted by ZD Toys is just awesome. It's freaking amazing. And this actually goes here. Let's cover it up. So, there. I mean, I'm looking at, trying to look for imperfections on this guy. Like scratches or anything like that, but I really don't see anything. Like, even those minute details on there, you don't see any stray paints, or like, you know, the way ZD Toys did this is like, it's freaking perfect. Alright, let's see. Let's do some articulation, test and movements. As far as colors go, I'll give it a 10 over 10. Closer look at the head. Okay, let's try some articulation on this guy. and of course ball joint on the feet. But this one, I think, comparing to the other models, is a bit stiffer, and I think it has to do something with the way his armor is designed, because this one is nanotech compared to the other previous marks, which are like, you know, suit, but this suit is nanotechnology, so it kind of looks like it's a dude in a suit, but it doesn't look so that pops off because you can put the attachments here. So there, it looks sexier. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. It looks sexier compared to the other marks, because if we're gonna put them side by side, let's say for example let's go for Mark, where's my Mark 6? So I think Mark 6 fall. Hold on. So yeah, quick comparison. If you look at how the older marks were designed, they have more lines and angles to them. It's like really an armor. Like they have those rough, sexy edges. But this guy, if you look at him, like they've eliminated the angles on here, and it's just like pure nanotechnology design on him. He looks sleeker, sexier than this guy. This guy's like robot dude in a suit, but this nanotech. It looks, I don't know if you can tell, but it actually looks less bulkier than the previous marks, because it's nanotech. It's like underneath that is like it follows the shape of whoever is wearing it. In this case, it follows the body type of Tony Stark, whereas this, it's a suit. It doesn't, like, how do I say this, when you wear socks, that's how I would describe the nano suit. Like this is like you're wearing the boots or something. So yeah, yeah, another awesome product by ZD Toys. So let's see how he looks like with some of his accessories attached. Okay, so this is the first batch of accessories, the one that comes with him, the top layer. So let's detach this one. So it's pretty easy to detach, and then you just pop this in. I wonder how the gold, where's the gold? I think it goes like so. Yeah, or did I do it wrong? Is it that way, or is it this way? Yeah, I think it's this way. Yeah, that's how it looks. Is it how it looks on the cover? Yes. So yeah, it's pretty easy to pop off. That's how it looks like. And then the other one, for this, I think you're gonna need to pop this back in, remove the fist, and then nope, that's not how it works. I think it's also like that. Yeah, so just like that, just pop it in. Let's go with this guy. I'm gonna pop this back in first. I don't want to lose it. So yeah, those are the lobster blasters. I look like lobsters, but yeah. Yep, that's how easy it is to put those accessories on. So yep, those are like his super blaster hands right there. So let's pop those off. Okay, and this double joint thingy is giving me a hard time. Okay, that being said, let's try the other hands, see if he can hold those accessories. Okay, so for this other one, you just need to pop it in like your ordinary spare fists. So this is the one that he used to stab Thanos with. Alright, so you just remove that. Let's put the fist back in. Not sure how he uses the shield. How he uses this, but I think it doesn't go that way. I think we need the other set of hands for this. Alright, let's go get them. Alright, so moving on with the second batch of accessories, we got the shield here, and I think the way to use this is you need this. Put this or this one. So you can try to like make him hold it lower or higher depending on how you want it. Alright, so going back to the accessories, you peg this here so that Iron Man has some weight. Booster something. So for the back, you just pop this out like so. Come on, baby. Let's pop this out so that we can put the booster on there. So it's giving me a bit of a hard time. There you go. And peg this in, and it's made of rubber. Yeah, it's not hard plastic, so you don't have to worry about breaking it off or something. Just attach it to the back like so, and yep, that's how it looks like. Attached to Iron Man. Alright, so there we have it. boys and girls, another top-notch product by ZD Toys. So yeah, color scheme, paint job, I'll give it a 10 over 10. Articulation, 10 over 10. And so far, as far as like accessories are concerned, this by far is like has the most accessories out of the Iron Man, ZD Toys Iron Man that I have in my collection. He's got a lot of stuff that comes along with him, not to mention like that big ass nice box he came along with. Alright, so that's it for my Iron Man Mark 50 Infinity War unboxing video. See you again on my next unboxing. Peace.